Hey YouTube, today based on this small image here, see I have all go to Autocad. As you can see, I'm using the Autocad 2012 and the 3D modeling workspace. I have enabled the top view and the 2D wireframe and I'm in the normal space. So my grid is on. So I'm going to disable it. First of all, we need a rectangle of 384 units long and 258 width. 384 by 258. So just one type DC for rectangle. Just corner and go for index, just type it's asking the dimension, area or rotation. So I'm going to go to dimension, so type D for dimension, just give the dimensions. So you need 384 on X, 384 and the axis, and now again 258. So 258 and let to confirm, and here we have it. Just zoom extends, you can see the rectangle over here, and again just and this 120 by 90. So let's draw them first. So first of all, I need to set the width of the wall to that 6 inch. So I need to go for offset and hit enter and specify the offset distance, that is 6 inch. Hit enter, click and present sign. So there we have it. We have made the wall. And then REC escape to take escape, and then REC for rectangle again. We are going to make the first bedroom, that is 120 by 120. I need to turn on the object map, and you will see once you have it enabled, it will find the go once. So this is my start point, and I'm going to go with the dimensions stream also, and hit enter, and 120 and 120. There you have it. And again, you can either take a copy or repeat the same command. So I'm gonna copy this rectangle, enter again. This is my base point, and okay, so I need to move it by 6 inches, that is the wall in between them. So move, enter, specify base point, and this direction I need 6. There we go. So again, we need one rectangle for the storeroom, 120 by 90. So again, rectangle, specify this corner. So as you can see, this is X, and so we need D and 120 on X and 90 by 90 on the Y axis. So 120 and the 90, and like this. And then if we look at the picture, says that the sit out, and the sit out dimensions are 60 by 120, 60 on X, 120 by 1Y. So go for rectangle again, picture has gone. So my pictures, what is, I don't know. There it is. Then 180 by 120, another rectangle. Dimension 180 by 120. We need to move it by 6 inch to pick on over. So M for move, specify this baseline and on this direction. So we need to enable auto, otherwise it will go and move different directions. So F8 for auto. And this on this direction we need 6 inch. We need to move 6 inch. So it's been moved. So on the next kitchen is 120 by 150, 120 on x-axis and 150 by 150 on the y-axis. 120 by 150. Okay. Point and D 120 by 150. Here we have all the ones. Now all we need to do is make the openings. The door opening, the space in between them should be 36 inches. So you can either make rectangles of that size 6 by 36 or make a polyline and move it and trim it. So next one. So I'm going to make rectangles that range. So rectangle. This is my baseline and again rectangle. And this, sorry, this D for dimension and take 6 inch on x-axis and 36 on y-axis. There we have it. And we can make a copy of this thing. Pictures. We need it here. So I will make a copy of this. Like CO or copy. Again, specify this point and place it here. So there we have it. So we can either copy and paste it here and rotate it, or we can make another rectangle. So I'm going to make another rectangle here. So rectangle, specify the first one, this one here. D for dimension. This time we should have 36 inches on the x-axis. 36 and 6 and there we have it. And we can select this thing, copy, and we need this exactly at the center of this wall. So select it, copy, and select this baseline and send it here. And then again we need to put here also. 1, 2. Let's make a copy again. Then specify this recognize that time, so copy again, select, hit enter, then so I'm going to put this, sorry, copy and select, okay, select it and hit enter, and this is the best point, and here hit enter again to repeat the same copy command. So we select this and enter, and this time my base point is this, never to put it here. So now we done, I hope so. So let's trim now tr and the twice. Then again forward line, select forward line, then again, let's open these. So we have to trim them, these two spots also. We'll just trim again, hit twice, trim this one, and this way also, so along this one and this one, here and here. Okay, so we have got all the necessary points here. Make a new layer and create a new one and name it as 3D wall or wall. Hit enter and give a color for that layer. Okay, and make this current layer, so double click it, so the green check mark will be on that item. So now we are on this layer, so whatever we draw will be in that layer color. So we are going to select all the items and go to make it like all the items visible. So we are going to go around and merge to wall. So you can see that all the items have changed its color. So now we are going to switch to southeast isometric or southwest isometric. Yeah, this one looks good. So you can see the x is on this direction, y is on this direction. So whatever we can draw is this plane, this particular plane, that is this plane. So now we are going to make this a 3D object. For that I'm going to go for this item over here, and that is press pull. So see, once I have a row on that item, it gets highlighted, and it means that thing can be extruded or press pulled. So once you do, so I just want to draw a line here, so like that. Like that. Again press pull. we have maybe walls as we need. We are going to make the cuttings or cavities for our windows. So I'm going to draw a 3-panel window on this side, on this wall. How do we draw it? For that, if we need to draw on this vertical plane, we need to shift the UCS. We need to align the X and Y plane on that particular face or plane. And now the XY plane is aligned onto the floor. That means XY on the floor, and the Z axis or the Z axis goes on Y to be here. For that, you can simply type UCS and hit enter. And you can either go for the face option or you can align it manually. So I'm going to go with the first item is a face, so you can select either of the faces. So I'm going to type F to select the face and hit enter face. So I'm going to select this face and hit enter to accept. So you can see that the X and the Y, now the X has set on this direction and the Y goes up. So the third direction will be towards us. Now I can make a rectangle there. Hit enter. Specify the first corner. Now I'm drawing here, drawing on the outer edge, and we can move it. So on the dimension side, 36 on x-axis. Maybe move it to right at the center. So for that, I need to enable these 3D object snap. So because this is no longer a 2D, this is a 3D object snap. So I need to snap on the points of these 3D objects. So that's called the 3D object snap. So I'm going to move this rectangle. So type M to move. And select this rectangle and hit enter. And then select the base point. I need to move this center point, the 3D midpoint. You can confirm by rotating the 3D object. So this it looks exactly at the center. So I'm going to move this up. So move again and V to move the enter. Then select the base point and make sure that this auto is on, otherwise it will be going in weird angles. So move straight up, maybe 2 feet high, 24 inches high. So make sure that it has moved at the right direction. So it's okay. Now we can draw a line from the bottom center of this rectangle all the way down to the center point of the 3D object or the 3D wall. So we're going to go for PL for polyline, hit enter, and select the base starting point, the midpoint, and then hit enter. Okay, so why did I do this is I need to, so that I can copy this rectangle all the way here, all the sides. So I don't need to draw rectangles anymore. So I just need to copy them. Okay, and select this base point, and I'm going to copy this. We need to make sure that it's moved to the right place. Yes, it has moved to the right place. So select it again, copy, C for copy, sorry, C O, copy, hit enter, just move it, copy and select this one, hit this one, hit enter, enter, enter. So just copy them. This is one just fine. This and the second to this. Hit escape to exit the command. Click here in this polyline. Click this polyline. This one also, and hit delete. We don't need them anymore. We'll just set up your interpret. Then we can just here copy again. Type copy. Click here, here, and then escape. So we don't need these lines either. Just delete. So we have made all the necessary cavities for the windows. Okay. So now let's delete all these unwanted lines. Press delete. Now we are going to press pull these. Before that we need to top view. Okay, then again to copies of southwest symmetric view. So I'm going to press pull all of them to make them. Press pull, press pull, press pull. Then rotate the figure. And then again press pull, press pull, press pull, and then press pull. So we have cut the windows on the wall. So let's go to the failure view. So there it is.